Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Happy Thursday. Overnight, the big news was the potential peace accord between Ukraine and Russia. This is helping foreign currencies, hurting the dollar, might help our U.S. stock market. It's helping crude and most commodity markets. Over the grains, prices are sharply unchanged overnight. Yesterday we had a little bounce in beans on talk that maybe the Brazil farmer was slowing their selling pace, and maybe there might not be enough soybean seed down in Brazil to finish up planting the double crop. But one of the private estimates of the soybean crop down there confirmed the USDA number. It's down from their January number, but it's still a big number. On the other side of the coin, the Argentina trading exchange estimated their crop at a record 58 million metric tons. So, you know, when we're sitting here close to $10 beans, it's still high priced if we have a big supply in 2015. As far as the corn and wheat is concerned, we're kind of in a trading range. We saw a few people buying some calls in corn and wheat yesterday on some concerns, not worries, but concerns about U.S. weather patterns and what if it continues to be dry in the southern plains, and what if that extends into the planting season for the U.S. corn crop. We did see some interesting data out of the USDA yesterday, their 10-year projections. Many people knew what they were going to say as far as U.S. corn supply and demand and U.S. acres, but they also put out trade estimates for the next 10 years, showing modest increase in corn and wheat trade over the next 10 years. Corn trade satisfied here by the United States. The wheat trade satisfied by Black Sea and EU. They showed a pretty big jump in soybean trade. All that is in China, going from 70 million tons to 108 million tons over the next 10 years. But all of that demand is, according to USDA, is going to be supplied out of South America, especially Brazil. Export sales data, the wheat numbers should be near last week's numbers. Corn and beans could be below last week's numbers, so we'll see how that impacts prices. Again, trade mostly negative to the bean market, and sideways trade in corn and wheat. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.